Hi, I'm Peter Boland, and the bad news is my meditation workshop sold out. But the good news is we've opened up a brand new one. So join me for a 6-week meditation workshop called The Awakened Heart at OLLI. That's the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute in the College of Extended Studies at San Diego State. So beginning March 26th through April 30th, for 6 Mondays in a row from 3 to 5 p.m., you and I will gather in a room, and on each one of those sessions we'll explore one or two specific techniques and practices and traditions from the wide variety of the world's meditation processes. And we'll learn a little bit about the philosophy behind them, but more importantly, we'll practice that approach. I'll lead you through it. We'll try it. We'll talk about it. We'll support each other. This is what a workshop is. It's so much richer than just a lecture. We'll be doing the work. And the takeaway is you'll then have lived experience and a wide variety of approaches that you can begin to practice and explore on your own. So I'm thrilled and honored to be able to lead people through this process, and I look forward to seeing you soon at The Awakened Heart, a 6-week meditation workshop. Namaste.